Good morning, my gators. Okay, so I am so loving. If you didn't see the live, go catch up. If you did not see my original live returning back and what happened with me and the girls in our life, definitely go check that out. And I think it says life updates or something. It's a block of something that says about silent things that are, so I don't know. It's gonna say life update. I think it's my first video in months, first live. So go check that out so you can be updated. Cause I'm getting comments where people, oh, I didn't know you back, and a lot of y'all didn't even see that video and didn't know what happened with me and the girls, what transpired in our life or whatever. So I'm in the kitchen. I have to. I'm about to put some bacon in the oven. These videos are going to be quick videos. Remember when I told you guys that I like to do accountability, like checklist type thing? Well, it's raining today, and I was doing that for a minute, and I was doing the lives, kind of letting you know what the morning was like. Then I'll come back later in the evening and do the lives. I may do that. So this is me just checking in. I'm looking at my little island area, y'all. This is 60 inches, and I still got a lot of space. Like, I gotta prep this cabbage. I can't remember how I prepped my cabbage last time. If you freeze your cabbage, let me know how you do it, because I ain't done that in a long time. I usually just cook it when I buy it. But remember, I got those big heads of cabbage from the farm. And what's that? Oh, so I'm at my little island area, which I'm so excited about. I just cut up a pineapple, so it's a lot of residue and stuff right here. I'm about to clean this up. This particular squash, do you know what this one is? This looks like more like a gourd, but I know it's a squash as well. So if you know what kind this is and how do you cook it, let me know. Now I got some squash that I froze last night that was from the farm, and those was the patty pan squashes. Never had them before. They say they taste like green tomatoes. I'm frying these this morning. I'm gonna be doing some tortilla, like bacon, egg, and cheese wraps for breakfast with some fried green tomatoes. Um, these two I wanted to save. I don't have no potatoes. I need to get some, so I wanted to save those to put in, because she said these were good for putting in breakfast potatoes. No, these were good for putting in breakfast potatoes. This, I don't know what I want to do with this. This is a yellow tomato. The lady told me what kind, but I cannot remember. Um, but yeah, remember I got this for 25 cents. I love this little thing. I said when I do get an island, it will sit on the island. I'll put whatever fruit, vegetables, or whatever on the side in the island. It was only 25 cents, and I think it's really cute. Why is it rocking though? Hold on. Might be a little off. It's probably why it was 25 cents, but it's still hot. Oh, I see. I see. I can get that welded back on. No biggie. So yeah, I have space, y'all, and then it goes all the way over. Like, look it. Let me hold on. I got space. So look, all the way over here, and that's where I was. So now I got cooking space. Y'all, I used to be making it work in this little corner or over here. Like, it was just a lot. So I got space now. I get up, I don't feel cluttered. I don't feel like everything is around me and on me. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up this space. And yes, I did make a third loaf. But I did half walnut and then half regular, so Rizzy can have some. And I told her she only eat to a certain point, and she's fine. That was loaded up. And yeah, they don't went through those. This won't fit in there. I was gonna just wrap it and put it in there, which I probably will wrap it and put it in there so I can save some space and get that off of here. But I've been doing so many videos, y'all. Those are my new solar lights. Four of them are already up around the house. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put these. They are so bright, and they come with different settings. And I think I did a review on the first ones, but I sent those back, and they not sponsors, meaning like I was showing you guys a way to have security and have light around your house at night. So these are, and they get like real bright. These are solar powered, and it's three settings. One is it comes on dim when it gets night outside, and then when somebody gets closer, it gets brighter. Then it goes off. Then they have one where it's off, and then if somebody comes around, it gets bright. Then it gets brighter as they get closer. And then the other one is just, I think, it's off, and then it just goes straight bright when somebody come close to it. I think those are the three settings. But the price was good because the four that I had, I paid $20, but I ended up getting 8 for 32. I was like, yeah, I'll find some places. Even like when I get my privacy fence up and stuff, I know I can place them around in different areas. So I'm just gonna still keep them. But there are 4 around the house already. And I did get my other cameras. Those were put up almost a month ago. So I did get my other cameras, and so I have like cameras everywhere now. Thank God. I cannot wait till this room gets drywall and finished, and all this writing and everything is just looking so much better. See the wall? All that right there. Yeah. And like up here, still got a lot of stuff to do just to make this, you know, mudding and taping and pure, make that pure white and just make it look nice and clean. And I think whatever backsplash I'm gonna go with, it's gonna be up there too. I think that's what my plan is. That's what my plan is. Go all the way around. Yeah. And I know I still got the lights. My stuff been in boxes for over a year waiting to be installed. So much stuff. So much stuff. But I still contact Amazon if something ain't right. Like, listen, the lady said she put in notes last year that I am renovating, and if I open it and it's not working because I bought it too early, like remember the front lights I got? Remember I got these, the lights for the both sides of the door, got those. This is kind of where I keep everything. If I got projects and stuff I'm working on, and then all those candles I got that time, those are still sitting there, never burned in any of these. Remember the price was wrong at Walmart. My game covers for all around the house, my handles for the drawer pulls, all the drawers, everything is like right here. All of my handles for the doors, when the doors get you know, painted and put up like they should be, everything, I have everything. I just and then I got stuff stored over here in the dining room, which is the flooring. So it's kind of starting to clear out a little bit more because stuff is being, look, this, all the blinds and stuff, I ordered them last year. All the blinds. I still haven't used my little rug doctor that Naya got me for Christmas, y'all. It's still in the box. I know it's gonna come in handy. I'm not even worried about that. I wiped off all my plants yesterday and I moved some of them. But look, all my flooring is right there. The pendants to go over the island are right there. Yeah, just stuff. I did do a mini video. We took out the fireplace, so that's sitting here getting ready to be placed where it needs to be and cut. And that's why I said this area was here and I was doing all that writing and stuff. Now I have been using that little cart for that, and these are my bigger plants sitting in here just to give space, because y'all, it was cluttered in there. But do y'all see that that table is 58 inches and how much space I still have? So this is going to be perfect. Like, this is a very spacious house. I thank God, thank God, thank God. I'm so grateful. That's a 58-inch table. And so when I put it where it needs to be and put the chairs around, I'm going to still have walking space around, and still I can do my buffet and all that. Yeah, as it come together, I can't wait. Those curtains, these 2 curtains were already up when I moved in. That, I think that pole, yeah, all that was already there. So I just left it there. And I just added these because when I open them, I don't want people to just see straight through. I wanted something to kind of buffer that. So I put my shears. Actually, those shears came from, I think, yeah, my mom-in-law. I had gave her some shears and some curtains in New York for the 2nd bedroom because we wasn't using them, and she ended up having them in a bag because she changed them out. And I was like, oh, can I take these, Mom? She said, yeah, girl. So I ended up putting them up in here because they work perfect to buffer, because I'm always working right there. But yeah, it's kind of messy, but this is my space right now. And yeah, so that's it. I'm about to clean up this island, find out about this squash and the cabbage. I'm about to load this video. You probably won't, well, the watermark from YouTube will be on here, but I'm not editing this. This is just what it is. But this is my morning, and I'm about to throw, like I said, some bacon in the oven. It's like 9 something. Take my minerals and get myself prepared for getting some things done. But I'm so loving, and let me show y'all from this angle. Let me show y'all from this angle how it really is not taking up no. Look at this. That's 60 inches. Look, I don't know if I want to keep that there, but look at that. I still got all, and mind you, this is not a regular size door opening. Like, and my things will sit under here perfectly. 3 of them. Hold on. Look at perfectly. Love it. Love it. Low profile, not a lot going on. I didn't need anything with any high backs or anything. I love the way that looks. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see this built in when it becomes, the color is going to become and make everything bright, and everything just starts to be what I need to be. I don't like, y'all remember, if y'all been rocking me for a long time, I had a trash can. Remember the trash can was like this, you know, wave your hand over, and I got it with my Overstock rewards. It was a circle one. I still got it. It's in storage, but I bought this in the last house I was in, and it was easy to grab out the storage, so I brought this to the house. But I don't like these. I don't want to keep using batteries, and I'm not going to buy them big old fat double we'll see chargeable batteries. They just real expensive. I'd rather the thing where I just step on it or just press the button to pull it open. I really want the step on one, and I think I did put that on my registry because this is just too big. It's bulky, and to me it's just, even though you could walk through, I just don't really want it right there. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't think I want to keep that right there, but yeah. So this is still in the thick of it because we on OSB that's getting really dirty. It does what it wants. Sometimes it closes. Sometimes it's too much. I didn't intend for this video to be this long, but I want to share what's going on and everything. So let me get my food started, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Just put your notifications on because I intended to come on yesterday, but a lot of stuff transpired, good stuff, and I was just like, yeah, I ain't gonna be able to go on. I ain't gonna be able to go on. So let me just do a quick video for you guys today. And if your notifications on and I do come on live, you'll see it. And I'll probably do another sneak peek of something that you guys haven't seen yet. Yeah, so later, Gators.